Brett over at Hidden Creek, and I am back with another weekly video to help you out during your wedding planning process. So today's video, I want to talk to y'all about dress code. So dress code is something that you are going to want to include on your wedding invitation, so that way your guests have an idea of how you want them to dress. If you in your mind have this idea of a glamorous ball, women in very beautiful, long, flowy dresses, and then you don't put anything on your invitation and somebody shows up in jeans, girl, you can't be mad about it because you didn't tell them what to wear. So we are going to go over the different types of wedding attire, so that way you can make sure you are including that on your invitation and everyone will show up dressed appropriately. So let's talk about the different types of wedding attire. So there is black tie. Black tie is definitely going to be the most formal. So black tie would require the men to wear tuxes. Usually they wear the little black bow ties. They always look so sharp. And then women would need to be wearing dresses that are long, covering their ankles. So that is definitely going to be the most formal. Think of that one kind of like a gala. Like whenever you see red carpets in Hollywood, people super glamorized. That in my mind is the idea of black tie, is very formal. I also think about like ballrooms, a little bit more of an elegant style. And then you also have just formal, black tie optional. So that would be your second one. So that's a little bit less formal, but it is still formal. So for this one, guys do not have to wear tuxes. They can wear a suit, but a tux would still be appropriate. They still would need to be wearing a tie, and the women would still be needing to wear elegant dresses. But with this second one, they can show a little bit of ankle. It can come up, I wouldn't say quite to their knee. It still needs to be a long formal dress. It just doesn't have to be as formal as black tie. So you had black tie, and then you had formal, black tie optional. And then you have what's called semi-formal. So in my mind, and this might be a little bit different for some people, but I think in today's world, these terms have changed a little bit from whenever our parents got married. In my mind, semi-formal and cocktail are almost the exact same thing, because semi-formal would mean that you could wear a dress up to your knees, and cocktail means up to your knees. So it's a little bit of the same thing. I think that when people see cocktail on the invitation, I'm going to say this nicely, some women take cocktail as they can wear those really short dresses, which, I mean, if that's the style and you don't care, totally go for it. But if you're going to say semi-formal, in my mind, that means, you know, dresses around the knee length, not super short. If you say cocktail, then you might have some of the girls showing up in the really short dresses. Semi-formal and cocktail for men would both mean that they don't have to wear a tie, but they would still need to be dressed appropriately. So maybe some khakis, slacks, things like that. They don't have to wear the suit, maybe just a button up with some slacks. And then you have casual. So casual can mean a few different things. If you're getting married here at Hidden Creek, you know, we do kind of have a little bit of the barn feel. We have the wood in here, but it's still elegant. So if you put casual on your invitation, you're gonna have a lot of people showing up in jeans. So that would be my first thing to say to you is, are you okay with people wearing jeans? If your answer is yes, put casual on your invitation. If your answer is no, do not put casual on your invitation, because a lot of people are showing up in jeans with casual. So I just kind of wanted to give you a little idea. You can definitely Google it, and it has a lot more of a description. I would be here forever if I went into super long detail. I just wanted to give you a brief description of each to give you a little bit of something to think about. So make sure that you are including that on your invitation so guests know what to wear, and everything will be great. Bye guys, see you next time.